See, my hair and scalp, they demand constant care. I couldn't take care of them for a few days, and look what happened. My hair feels extremely frizzy and dry, and my scalp has become oily again. So now I have understood I have to be very consistent when it comes to hair care, but for now I want to make my hair soft, manageable, and frizz free, and I want my scalp to feel less itchy. And for that, I'll be showing you my hair wash routine that always helps me out. And I'm gonna start with detangling my hair, which is very important prior you apply any hair product, or even if you shampoo. Please detangle your hair. And my hair fall is in control these days, so yet to that, but winter is coming, and when the season changes my hair fall increases, so I'm kinda like, I hope this time it doesn't happen. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a oil for my scalp. This is Safa black seed oil, and this is one of my most favorite oils. It has helped me a lot taking care of my scalp, hair. It has helped me to reduce hair fall, so I mostly apply this oil on my scalp, and for my lens I use a hair mask. So this one from Palmas, this is actually a deep conditioning pack. It is supposed to be applied after shampooing, but I apply it before shampoo as a hair mask, like pre-shampoo hair mask, because it works best this way for me. And I apply this section by section, and this is very important when you'd be applying any pre-shampoo hair mask. Please apply this section by section, because this way hair feels better, the product, it gets into hair better, and overall it performs better if you apply these things section by section. So yeah, I needed the entire pack of this hair conditioner or hair pack that I used as pre-shampoo mask, and I'm gonna keep this on for say 30 minutes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this satin pillowcase, and I'm gonna wrap my hair with it. So yeah, see you after say 30 minutes then. Okay, so 30 minutes have gone. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this cleansing oil, and I'm gonna apply this on my hair and scalp both. Since cleansing oils, they emulsify really well, so I think that it helps me, it helps as like a first cleanser, or it just it doesn't let my hair weigh down. But it's totally up to you, it may not work for you, but it works for me. So yeah, now I'm gonna wash up the mask and the oil, whatever that I have on my hair and scalp, first with the water. Then I'm gonna apply a shampoo, and I'll be using this recoil hair fall control shampoo. I'm about to run out of this shampoo, and after this I'm gonna test out a new shampoo. But anyway, so I massage my scalp really well. I had this brush that helped me to massage my scalp while shampooing, but I lost it. I need to find it. So yeah, I keep this shampoo on for say 3 to 5 minutes, just to make sure everything comes out, I don't have any greasiness, but I don't want to over wash my hair as well. And then I'm gonna apply this hair conditioner. This is Mayo from Tony Moly. If you have frizzy hair, then I think this conditioner can work really well for you. This is one silicone based conditioner, so especially if you have high porosity hair, it can help you a lot taming the frizz. And what I do, I apply few drops of light oils, like any oil, sesame, then jojoba. Then I just apply this on the top of the conditioner. Just apply few drops, all right, don't apply too much, or else your hair is going to be really greasy. And if you have already quite oily hair, then you can skip this step. So yeah, then I wash that conditioner, and after that I use this hair rinse. So this is a homemade hair rinse I made with Rosemary. I'm gonna leave the video down below on how I made this. I just, after using this rinse, I wash it off with fresh water again, my hair and scalp, and the hair washing routine is done for me. And now it is about post hair wash care. So apply this leave-on conditioner. It is one creamy emollient based conditioner that you don't have to rinse off. This is to make my hair soft, but again, do not apply too much, otherwise you're gonna lose the volume of your hair. So after applying this one, I apply this silicone based hair like serum. So it's gonna help to tame the frizz by locking the hydration or locking the moisture. So I use these two things as what you call it, leave-on treatments, and yeah, this work for me, but I don't apply too much. Again, I'm telling you, otherwise hair is gonna be greasy and it's not gonna look nice, and I don't want to lose the volume of my hair. And tada, this is how my hair looks after it is dry, and I'm really impressed with the results. And these things will work for me every time. Then I brush my hair to make sure I don't have any tangles or whatsoever, and this time I'm gonna take care of my hair better. I'm gonna do what I do every day. I use LED treatment, then I use scalp serums. I am gonna comb my hair properly, which I failed to do for say past 3-4 days or something more than that. But yeah, and yeah, let me know if you like this hair care routine, and I love it. It works for me, that's why. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make braids so my hair is protected. And yeah, that's all for now, and I really hope you found this to be helpful, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Take care and bye bye.